Hello everyone, today I am here to demonstrate you my project water planting system using IoT, and the device for which I am using IoT is my mobile. This whole system will be controlled by my mobile. So here it is done by Node MCU, which is basically a ESP8266, the motor IC and the motor. So as soon as I press the button on here, the light in the Node MCU shows that the system is on, and the water supply to the pipeline has been turned on. The second button here is for the rotation of the motor. So as soon as I press this button, the motor will start rotating, and it will rotate, and the plants will be watered. The second, as soon as I press the button, it will be stopped. If I have to if I have to plant the other side, then I will press the second button, so the motor will start rotating anti-clockwise, and the plant's other side will also be watered. So this is my whole system controlled by IoT. Thank you.